If you care about protecting your cells and supporting your long-term health naturally, please watch this carefully. Today, we're talking about a bright golden spice that has been used for centuries. Turmeric, often found in traditional cooking, but also valued for its unique natural compounds. The most important active compound in turmeric is called curcumin. Curcumin is known for its antioxidant properties, which help protect cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a natural process, but over time, it can affect how cells function. Supporting cellular protection is an important part of maintaining long-term balance in the body. Another important aspect of turmeric is its role in supporting the body's natural inflammatory response. Inflammation is not always harmful. It is part of the body's normal defense system. However, long-term imbalance in inflammation can affect comfort and overall well-being. Including turmeric as part of a balanced diet may help support this natural balance. Turmeric may also support brain health. Some research suggests that curcumin is linked to processes involved in cognitive function. Healthy brain function depends on many factors, including circulation, nutrition, and cellular protection. Turmeric also contains small amounts of important nutrients that contribute to overall wellness. The key is absorption. Curcumin is better absorbed when combined with black pepper and a small amount of healthy fat. This is why turmeric is often used with other ingredients in traditional recipes. Turmeric is not a miracle cure. It does not replace medical care. Its strength lies in consistency. Small amounts used regularly in meals can become a simple and supportive habit. Sometimes, the most vibrant spices carry the deepest benefits. If you found this explanation helpful, and you enjoy calm, science-based discussions about everyday nutrition, please consider subscribing to our channel. And if you liked this video, a simple like helps more people discover reliable and balanced health information. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.